Hey babes, welcome back. So today I'm going to be going shopping and running around and stuff. So I thought that I could get on here and just do an eye look. And I'm kind of just going to go for like a smoky eye. And so let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer just to prime my lids. I love going Christmas shopping, but I hate spending money. I'm just going to use my Morphe brush to buff this out. And I'm wearing red earrings because I'm going to have a red jacket on. And I'm just going to go in with like a few different eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so first I'm going to take the Shaharan by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go into Jamila. I think that's what it says. This orangish shade right here. I'm going to dip into that. You know what? I forgot something. So I'm going to take some tape and put it on the outer corners of my eyes just to help make it look like more dramatic. Okay, so we're just going to keep building this up. And I've had this eyeshadow palette forever. And I still love the eyeshadows. I think they're really good. And you just want to keep blending up towards your eyebrow. And just keep blending. Oh my gosh, like I'm so excited for Christmas, and also I can't wait to get it over with. So it's just hard because the kids are getting older and you got to spend more money, and you know, it's just crazy. So I just keep building it up and blending it out. And make sure you always like pull your mirror out and look at both of your eyes, because one of them could be like really low and the other one could be like really high if you don't really pay attention to what you're doing. And you don't want to look crazy, so just make sure you hold your mirror out and make sure they look pretty even. I'm going to go in with the Friendcation eyeshadow palette by Dose of Colors. This is Desi and Katie's collaboration. We're going to go into this shade right here, which is Churro. I wanted like that orangish, brownish, like smoky eye look, but I'm just doing it so I can go shopping, and I haven't made a video in forever, so I figured why not. Like, I've been so busy. Life is hard with 3 kids. It's crazy. Like, I really do not see how people do it when they have like 5 kids or 6 kids. Like, you guys are soldiers for real. Because I do not know how in the world you could handle that. Like, it's so hard with just 3. If I had that many kids, I mean, I'd fight. I'd fight to handle it and take care of it, but whew, I do not understand how people take care of that many kids. It's just crazy. Like, I seriously respect that. So we're just going to continue to go into the brown shade and keep building it up. Like, my eyelids are so freaking hooded. I'm scared when I get older, they're just like literally going to sag over top of my eyeballs. I hate it. Look how hooded they are when I just like relax. Do you see that? That gets on my nerves. Like, I cannot stand it. If I could have like a facelift or whatever kind of lift, I would. Get rid of that shit. So I just keep building up the brown until I get it to like where I want it, to where I think it looks good. And then I'm going to switch like to a deeper brown. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to dip into the deeper brown shade right here. And it is called Cheens. We're just going to go in with this. And we're mostly going to build it up on like the outer corner. We might bring it in some too, I'm not sure yet. Just depending on how this looks. Like, I always film using my iPhone, and I always wonder like if the quality looks good or not. But like, once I almost bought a camera, but it was like $1,000 and some dollars, and I really wanted it. Like, I wanted to play with it and all that stuff. But I recently got like temporary custody of my nephew, and you know, the kids come first. Like, They will always come first before my wants or needs. Like, theirs always come first. And it's been like a lot tougher, but I don't care. And me and Ben, we've handled it, and yeah, we struggle sometimes, but like we really make it happen. And I'm so proud of him. Like, it's just crazy everything he's accomplished and become. Like, I'm just so proud of him. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my Morphe 5-8. Oh no, my Morphe 518 brush. And it's just like a blending brush, and we're just gonna blend this out a little bit. The dark shade, we're gonna blend it. We're gonna blend all of it out a little bit, but mostly this dark shade right here, just to blend. Okay, I think that looks pretty good too. I need to add some more over here. I might have blended it out a little bit too much, but okay, so I think my eyes look pretty good. I'm just gonna take the tape off now. Woo! Look at that. Bam! Looks really pretty. It just helps enhance everything, I think. I think that's really pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna take the Celestial Thunder palette. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. And I want to go in with the Eternal Light shade. This one right here. And I'm going to put that on my lid. I feel like this works best when you use your finger and you do like a tap and rub motion. And I feel like it makes it pop way more. But I love this shade. I don't know why. Like, some people said they didn't like it, but I love it. Going to transfer to my crease. It always does. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and build it up. So I'm just going to take this Morphe brush. And I'm just going to tap and like pull. And I've also noticed that I've lost some subscribers, which it doesn't bother me. I mean, it kind of does, you know. I don't want anyone to not watch my videos, whatever, but it doesn't, because I'm not really on here to try to become famous and all that stuff. Like, I just want to have fun and do makeup, and that's it. So, you know, I'm just not like worried about it. That isn't really what I'm going for. I just want to have fun and do videos. And talk with friends and stuff like that. So please comment below, you guys. Okay, so we're just going back into the deep brown shade. We're just going to blend it in with this. Now we're going to go in with the Stay All Day Stila eyeliner. It says it's waterproof. And this is really good eyeliner. Like, I put it on and it really did stay all day. And I noticed it on my friend Kelly, and I told her that was awesome because mine always rubs off somewhere. And she bought me one. She's so sweet. I'm going to make this a little bit thick. Okay, I think that looks alright. So now I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do underneath the eyes. Okay? Okay, so now I'm back and I got the rest of my face done. And now I'm just going to go in with the eyeshadow palettes and do under the eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to take this e.l.f. brush and I'm going to dip into the orange shade. Okay, so now we're going to take the Dose of Colors palette again. I'm just going to go into the light brown first. Oh, and I'm using this Morphe M213 brush. Okay, so now I'm just taking the dark brown shade, and I'm going to try to keep it really close to my waterline on the outer corner. I'm just going to go in with this eyeliner. It says Beauty for Real on it. And it says Finish Line 24/7 Liquid Eyeliner. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to run it on my bottom lash line. Just on the outer corner though. I can't put eyeliner in my waterline with my contacts in because it always gets on my contacts and it makes them blurry and I can't see nothing. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Too Faced chocolate chip palette, the white one. And I'm just going to take this shade right here, Exotica, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner. It just brightens everything up and it's just so pretty. I'm going to go in with this Big Ego by Tarte mascara. Like, I swear, I can hardly find any mascara that doesn't transfer down here under my eyes, and it drives me crazy and I hate it, and I think it just makes my makeup look horrible. So sometimes I don't even want to put it on my bottom lashes. Alright, so I've already set my face with the setting spray and everything. So the only thing we're really missing is lashes, and I cannot find my lash glue for nothing. But I guess we are done here, and I want to thank you all for watching my video. It means the world to me, and I hope you enjoyed it and had fun. Thanks, babe. Bye. Love ya.